Numpy, duplicate mask for an array, returning true if we've seen that value before, false otherwise. I'm looking for a vectorized function that returns a mask with values of true if the value in the array has been seen before and false otherwise. I'm looking for the fastest solution possible, as speed is very important. For example, this is what I would like to see. So is_duplicate equals array mask should return 1, 2. Is there a fast vectorized way to do this? Thanks.
Approach number 1, with sorting. We can use array assignment to boost perf. Further, sample run. Approach number 2, with np.unique, return_index. We can leverage np.unique with its return_index, which seems to return the first occurrence of each unique element, hence a simple array assignment, and then indexing works.
Use np.unique.
You can achieve that using the enumerate method, which lets you loop through using index plus value. Output.